Now, a lot of people have been asking me, how do I mark my key zone and where do I start from? I will tell you exactly how I do it here and also refer you to a place you can go and then find my life analysis where I marked out key zones. All right. But before that, I want you to understand something that I mark key zone like every other person does. I do my top-down analysis and all that. But you know what the difference is that the difference is what the process of sniper entry trading strategy and the process of analyzing the market using sniper entry trading strategy helps you to understand. It's only when you have learned and mastered it. That's why I prefer to refer to you guys to the videos that I have made, I have created, that I showed you how you can start and adopt that strategy. All right. I have a video on YouTube, part 1 to 6 of three-way process of developing and mastering sniper entry trading strategy. I think that video will be very, very helpful. You see, I'm not hiding this strategy. I'm putting it out there how you can get started and all that. Okay, because the process helps you. When you understand how to use sniper entry trading strategy, it helps you because there are a lot of things you will see on the chart and recognize it and use it when you are marking the zones, that others will still mark the zone, but they don't have that information, they don't have that thing in their brain. So they mark their own, but your own is respected by the market, their own is not respected by the market. That is the key thing about the strategy. So what I do is that I mark my zone, top-down analysis, I start marking my zone from daily time frame. I stop my zone at 15-minute time frame. All right. So what happened is that when I have marked my zone like that, my zone will help me to determine the turning point of the market, where the market will be turning. Either it is short-term, long-term, or medium-term turning point. I get to understand it, where those things will happen. And again, so I now use turning pattern to take my trade. Do you get? That is exactly how I do. Now, for you to see how I market in practice, and this one is live analysis, live on YouTube. I did that live on YouTube. I can't remember other videos. There are other videos that I did that even before that time. Before this time, I want to tell you that is on March 8th. The video and the analysis I did live on YouTube, March 8th. 2026 and the one of March 15, 2026. Go there, all the video in the live session on these 2 days that I mentioned, because some of them were cutting because the network was bad, and once we restart, the video will start recording newly. You know, that one, no editing, nothing, just full video, just like that, full clip like that. So as we start the live back, the YouTube will YouTube will start recording the video, of course, posted automatically immediately the live ended. You understand? So you go to those 2 days, March 8, 2026 and March 15, 2026. Check the live session of my YouTube session, my YouTube page, all right? And then you'll be able to find this video. Watch all the live videos there. I don't know which one, because as it was cutting, I don't know the one that I started analyzing, marking out the zones, because sometimes I review the past analysis before I start the new analysis for the week. So you go there, you will see how I mark it in practice. But I've told you that what I do is actually start marking out my key zone, reconciling the trend to determine the direction for the day or for the period, understand, by refining my zones to 15-minute time frame. So once I refine it to 15-minute time frame, I don't care about daily, weekly or monthly or any other time frame, 4 hours or whatever. I only care about 15 minutes because I've reconciled the trend and the direction for the day, the bias, you understand, to 15 minutes. So the next thing I do is using turning pattern. You need to understand what turning pattern is. Using turning pattern to make the actual entry, and that is going to be targeting turning points to do so. That's why I told you that this strategy is 100% win rate if you follow it strictly. So it is not a gambling strategy like what you have out there and things like that. So I'll be adding my YouTube link to the description of this video. So you just go, or the comment section, just go there and you find it, so that you can go to that place and find out all these things. I'll tell you another video that talk about sniper entry trading strategy that could benefit you on how you can do this on your own. All right. And of course, if you go to TikTok, you are going to find my bio. So a link there. You can find my YouTube page from there if you are from TikTok and all that. Outside that, I will see you in another video. Bye for now.